Hi guys, my name is Meg. Today I'm going to show you how to make marshmallow edible slime. But before you start, remember to wash your hands. But the stuff we need to make the marshmallow edible slime are a nice clean bowl, a measuring cup, and a measuring spoon, a board so we can put the slime on to make it all nice after. This is the yummy bit. We need some marshmallows. Just this, maybe to mix it around and make it all nice. We need corn flour. You can use any one if you have something, but this is good for now. So coconut oil. Need a spoon. And I think that's all we need for now. The recipe says to put two adult handfuls, but since I'm a kid, I'm gonna do 3 because I've got smaller hands than adults. I'm gonna put 1 handful in, 2, and 3 in. And then we're gonna go to the microwave and put it in the microwave for 30 seconds. I'm gonna take the spoon, but be careful, it might be hot. And then I'm just gonna mush it around. Some of this, 1 tablespoon, and put it in your marshmallow slime. And then I'm just gonna try it again because it might not work. So I'm gonna put a little bit more. And then we're gonna take the spoon and mush it around. Oh, it's starting to get all softened. But be careful, it might be too hot for you to mush. Try to stretch. Oh no, ours looks like it's an epic fail. Bye.